Hey guys, I am back. If you're here from TikTok, comment a purple heart. But right here, I'm just putting the glue on my bod cap. I always use just one layer because I don't need it to be super sturdy. I found this method using Ghost Spawn helps me the most because I feel like the spray, it just makes such a big mess and I really hate cleaning it up. I'm just cutting it with scissors, y'all. If you have the skinny silver scissors, this process is so much better. These scissors were so dull, like I was working extra hard just to get a thin stocking off my head. I got this from, it's like a pack of stockings from Amazon. I feel like this is better than the bald cap because of how thin it is. I first discovered this because y'all, I went to JCPenney and I saw they had stockings. I'm like, oh, I'm about to install a wig. I need one anyway. And I never looked back. And this is the red tinting spray. I got it in the color medium brown. The brand is Titanium, something like that. I forgot. But I spray my cap first. My wig, not my cap, I'm sorry. Well, technically, yes, I do spray my cap. And then I spray the wig. I did 2 layers and I blow dried it in between each layer, and y'all, it was already giving scalp. Look at that color match. And I'm using my witch hazel. Guys, so I'm letting my glue dry, and then after that I'm about to lay it down. Okay, y'all, so first cut. What the hell? Mess up my lashes. Y'all didn't tell me it was gonna be this. Like, wow. Maybe. Hey guys, okay, this is the result. Y'all, I'm in love. I'm still gonna go back and touch a few things up. This is how the lace is looking. Y'all, please, if you don't go buy it, I'm gonna buy all of them up myself. Like, $145, y'all. And look where it reaches me. Like, you can't beat that. Like, you really can't. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. So guys, I'm so sorry. Most of my footage, because I have no storage on my phone, it got erased. I'm so mad, but I wish I could have continued filming most of the process, but hopefully I get a new phone soon. I don't know. But anywho, thank you guys so much for your support. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I actually really enjoyed making it. Anywho, bye.